Hello my peeps, this algebra nation video will cover the right side of page 88 and the left side of page 89.
Here we go. Pause the video now. Give this one a try. You see a match? I see a match. Do you see a match? We see a match. 5y and 5y, but they're the same. I need one of them to be opposite. One positive, one negative. One 5y, one negative 5y. So you need to change the signs of one equation. I'm going to change the second equation to 3x minus 5y equals negative 3. And the top equation I will leave alone. Now I have an elimination match. 2x plus 3x will give me 5x. 5y minus 5y is 0. Negative 7 minus 3 more, again, negative 7 minus 3 more will give you negative 10. Divide both sides by 5. 5 simplify, and x will give you negative 2. Plug that back into either equation. I'll plug into the first equation. 2 times x is negative 2 plus 5y equals negative 7. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Variables to one side, numbers to the other, divide if needed. 5y is already on one side, and that's the only variable. Let's get our numbers to the other. The opposite of minus 4 would be adding 4 to both sides. 5y will equal negative 7 plus 4 more will give you negative 3. And then lastly, divide both sides by 5, and you'll see that y equals negative 3/5. Y is negative 3/5, x is negative 2, giving you negative 2 comma negative 3/5 for x comma y. And remember to always write a coordinate in alphabetical order, x then y. So I think we're ready.
BRB.
Let's beat that test. I've got two questions for you. Given the system of equations, what is the value of, in this case, t? Notice I have a match, but I need to make one of them, again, the opposite sign. So I'm going to leave the top equation alone, 8c minus 9t equals 10, and I'll change all the signs of one equation. Negative 2c plus 9t equals negative 7. 8c minus 2c will give me 6c. Negative 9t plus 9t is 0. 10 minus 70, so you'll subtract, but it's going to be a negative number because negative 70 is a lot larger than 10. 10 minus 70 is negative 60. Divide both sides by 6, you get c equals negative 10. Am I done? No, because they want the value of t, not the value of c. If they wanted c, you'd be done. But they want the value of t, so we have to plug back in. I'll plug into the first equation, 8 times negative 10 minus 9t equals 10. 8 times negative 10 is negative 80 minus 9t equals 10. Again, get our variables to one side, our numbers to the other, and divide if needed. I'm going to add the 80 to the right. Negative 9t equals 90. Divide by negative 9, and you get, hey, t is also negative 10, which is nice in this case because they were both the same number. But don't assume that. That won't always happen. We've already seen a few examples where that doesn't. But in this case, the answer is negative 10 for the value of t. Awesome. Let's do one more, though. Given the system of equations, what is the value of b? Do you see a match? I see a and a. Well, I need one of them to be negative, so I have to change the signs of one of the equations. I'll change the first one this time. Negative a plus b equals positive 5, and I'll leave the second equation alone. In this case, negative a plus a is 0. B plus 2b would be 3b. And 5 plus 4 will give you 9. Divide both sides by 3, and b equals 3. And in this case, we are done. In this case, they wanted b. You could stop right here if you're confident you did all the work correct. But if you wanted to go ahead and check, you could plug in a 3 for b into both equations. Make sure you get the same answer for a. So we're done with the problem. B is 3, but let's go ahead and finish off this video and check. A minus 3 equals negative 5. Add 3 to both sides, and a is negative 2. For the other equation, a plus 2 times 3 equals 4, because b is 3. A plus 6 equals 4. Subtract 6 from both sides, and a equals negative 2, and that's what I mean by checking. They both better equal the same number, or you did something correct. Just go back and check your work. But we're good here. B is 3, and remember, you can put it all the way on the right. You can put it all the way on the left. Just don't put it in the middle. So again, elimination method.
And whatever you do, don't look like this guy on the EOC.